Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatia Yumandira, NPM 22,204. I'm from class E. Here I'm gonna conducting an analysis of a case involving aggravated theft. The case focuses on the legal elements, the parties involved, the chronology of the events, the evidence, and the court's reasoning and delivering the judgment. Here I'm taking putusan number 5 garing pidana biasa garing 2013 garing Pengadilan Negeri Maumere. And then the court name is Maumere District Court, and the date of decision is in Monday, February 80, 2013. And the type of case is criminal, aggravated theft to be exact. And then the relevant law article is Article 300, number 363, Clause 1 KUHP Indonesia. And the element of the case, the first is prosecutor is Zico Extrada SH, and the judges was Gustav Gles Kupa SH, Meduk Sinaga SH, and Sony Eko Andrianto SH. And the defendant is Franciscus Saverius, and the witnesses is Supatmi, Suranto, and Hendra Saverius. And the victim is Supatmi because she is the witness who also the victim. And the locus at Mawar Perumnas, Maumere Street, Neighborhood Unit 1, Community Unit 1, Madawat Subdistrict, Sikaragensi. And then the defendants has taken an item, the form of one unit of a black a silver Honda Suprafit motorbike with police number EB5574FB, which is wholly or partly owned by the victim witness Supatmi, or at least belongs to someone other than the defendant with the intention of possessing it illegally at night in the house or close yard at her house. And then the chronology of the events. So it started when the defendant who was talking past the victim's house, who was walking past the victim's house, saw a black and silver Honda Suprafit motorcycle with the license plate number EB55574FB belonging to the victim Supatmi. Then the defendants entered the victim's yard and without the victim's permission, pushed the victim's motorcycle, which was unlocked at the time, into the defendant's house. And then the defendant used the motorcycle belonging to the victim witness to go for a ride, and the defendant also removed the motorcycle's license plate and put it inside the motorcycle seat so that the motorcycle owner would not know about it. After 5 days, the witness motorcycle was in the defendant's possession. Then on Thursday, October 25, 25th, 2012, at around 3 o'clock WITA, the defendant returned the motorcycle belonging to the victim witness by placing the motorcycle in front of the victim's witness's house. And the evidence is one unit of black silver Honda Suprafit motorbike with police number EB55574FB. And then the court decision and reasoning. First, court decision is one, declare that the defendant, Francisco Saverius, has been proven guilty of committing the crime of theft at night in a closed house or yard. 2. Sentencing the defendant to a prison sentence of 6 months. And the last is determine that the evidence in the form of one unit of black silver Honda Suprafit motorcycle with police number EB55574FB and return to the rightful party, which is Supatmi. And the reasoning was that the punishment to be imposed on the defendant below by the panel of judges is considered to be in accordance with a purpose of punishment, namely not merely as a revenge or a sorrow, but also to educate and make the defendant aware of his wrongdoings. In addition, so that it can also be used as a lesson for other people and even all members of the society so as not to commit acts as have been committed by the defendant. And the legal basis for the imposition of punishment is Article number 363, paragraph 1 to 3 of the Criminal Code of Indonesia. Law number 4, uh, Criminal Code Indonesia. Undang-Undang nomor 8 tahun 1981. And the other regulation related to the case. And my personal analysis is aggravated theft, uh, nighttime theft to be exact, is classified as theft with aggravating circumstances under Article 363, paragraph 1 of the Indonesian Penal Code or KUHP or the Criminal Code. This article stipulates that theft committed during the night is subject to harsher penalties due to its increased severity. The key of the element was the first, the act of theft, taking property of another. The perpetrator unlawfully takes someone else's property with the intent to possess it. And the two aggravating circumstances, nighttime to be exact, the crime occurs at night, which is make it harder for the victim to detect and prevent the act, thus increasing its seriousness. The penalty under this article can reach up to 7 years of imprisonment. The inclusion of the nighttime is as an aggravating factor of reflects that heightened risk and vulnerability faced by the victims during these hours, as well as the difficulty of law enforcement is in apprehending the perpetration. So that's it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.